Whether you're changing a tire on the side of the road or doing maintenance in your garage, having a dependable electric car jack makes lifting your vehicle safer, faster, and completely effortless. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 electric car jacks available on Amazon. First up is the E-HEELP electric car jack kit, a powerful 5-ton hydraulic jack that's packed with features for emergency roadside repairs. Designed to work with 12-volt power sources, this jack is ideal for most sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. It offers a lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, which covers nearly every standard vehicle height. What sets the E-HEELP apart is its multifunctional design. It includes not only the hydraulic jack, but also an electric impact wrench for loosening stubborn lug nuts and a built-in tire inflator pump for correcting tire pressure on the go. It even has an integrated LED light to help you work in low-light conditions. This all-in-one solution is ideal for drivers who want to be prepared for any roadside emergency without needing multiple tools. Next is the ROGTZ electric car jack kit, another 5-ton hydraulic jack that delivers fast lifting and exceptional stability. What makes this jack a standout is its speed. It can lift your vehicle to the desired height in under a minute, allowing you to change a tire quickly and get back on the road. It comes with a fully integrated toolkit that includes an impact wrench, inflator, gloves, and even a reflective safety triangle. Designed with portability in mind, everything is packed into a compact case that fits easily into your trunk. For drivers looking for speed, convenience, and safety in one kit, the ROGTZ model is a solid investment. Coming in at number 3 is the STANDTALL electric car jack kit, another robust 5-ton hydraulic jack built to handle heavier vehicles with ease. This model features a lifting range from 5.9 to 17.7 inches and uses a self-locking structure to ensure safety during operation. Like others in this category, it includes a tire inflator and electric impact wrench. But what makes the STANDTALL version unique is its build quality and thoughtful design. The case is extremely durable, the cables are thick and well insulated, and the power delivery is consistent. If you want a long-lasting jack that feels like it was built for repeated use, this kit delivers. Fourth on the list is the VEVOR electric car jack, a heavy-duty option with a 5-ton lifting capacity and one of the fastest lift motors on the market. This model is built for efficiency, taking just about a minute to lift your vehicle to full height. It includes a built-in inflator pump and a rugged carrying case. One of the best aspects of the VEVOR jack is its structural stability. It's engineered with a wide base and high-strength steel, minimizing sway or instability when lifting heavier loads. Whether you're dealing with an SUV or a small truck, this unit will hold up under pressure and get the job done quickly and safely. Last but not least is the ZAISHANG electric car jack, which offers excellent performance at a more affordable price point. It's designed specifically for cars with lower ground clearance, offering a lifting range of 5.31 to 14.17 inches. Like the other models, it supports up to 5 tons of weight and includes a built-in inflator pump and pressure gauge. What makes the ZAISHANG jack particularly convenient is its dual power supply option. You can power it through your car's cigarette lighter or connect it directly to the battery using alligator clips. This flexibility makes it highly usable in various vehicle setups and emergency situations. For those seeking solid performance on a tighter budget, this jack punches above its weight. Thanks for watching. You'll find links to each of these electric car jack kits in the video description below. Travel prepared, lift smarter, and make every tire change effortless.